Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Uh, Here it's like 5 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, it's 5 a.m. Too early. I woke up like 3 a.m. to this morning, very early. Then I drink coffee very early, like 4 a.m. And now I'm doing my husband breakfast because he worked very early in the, I mean, midnight. So he go like 11 p.m. in his work, and now he's going back by 6 a.m. and I prepare his breakfast. So that's his breakfast. Yep, here you go. So now I'm cutting the potato. So I'm making fried potatoes, and I make egg egg omelette. So this is what I'm gonna do. Just cut it and slice here like French fries. Then I cut into cubes like that, square, or it's called square, but it's look like cubes. See that? Like small cubes. Then I fry it in the air fryer. This one. Yeah. My English is sorry. Sorry naman po. I'm a Filipino. My second language is English. Actually, my first language is Masbateño, and then my second language is Tagalog, which is uh, Philippines language, Tagalog, and then the third language I use is English, and the rest is like Cebuanos, Ilonggos, like that. So ganon. So let's make for breakfast today. Maybe by October I will going to work because maybe next year we move to Philippines and he retired there in Philippines. So we need to save money for retirement in Philippines. So in the Philippines, we bought already the chariot. So that chariot is like we use for at least to making a transportation, like to bringing all the stuff that like heavy stuff like cement bring to the house, because in our place in the Philippines, in the province, is very, it's called like off grid. So there's no, it's not concrete road, it's rocky road. So you need motorbikes, or at least you have strong to carry the stuff bringing to your house, especially the heavy stuff. So we bought that for that, and I think, and then there's no electricity there. They have also in the barangays, it's called like community center of the community. They use the generator for electric, but it's like 6 hours a night or a day, like start by 6 p.m. till 10 or 11 p.m. like that. So that you can do like charging your phone and like for lights, and that's it. But we're living in this upper of that community, so the electric cannot go that place. So we need a generator also, or solar, so, or lamp. But actually we use their lamp. Very exciting moment coming soon. I hope my asawa will survive in a off-grid in the Philippines province. I know, let's see, they can survive, but he's still American. You know, the American people, they always have everything they want, the comfortness, everything in their house. Ayan, it's already done. So now we put a salt, at least a little salt, and then a little black pepper. See that? Black pepper. And then we put some little oil. I use olive oil or coconut oil. Then I mix it. Then I will put in fryer later. That's his breakfast. That's his breakfast. And then egg. Like that. Egg with onion, crumbled egg. And then I put some cheese on the egg. Sometimes I put ground beef or sausage in the egg, and he likes it. But I cooked the sausage or longanisa today, this morning for his breakfast. Let's see. You know what? I have all of this from Philippines. I bring it here when we went in Philippines last vacation. April, I think. Yeah, April. So I have this Nescafe, and then I have the tang. Yan. And then may dala din akong tuyo. At saka yung, alam mo yung panglinis sa kuko, yung kulay pink, kasi wala ako ditong makita. Wala ako ditong mabili sa US na yung parang cuticle. Oh, cuticle nga siya. Yeah, cuticle, tapos yung mertiolet, yung red na nilalagay. Pagkatapos natin linisin po, di ba? Wala kasi akong makita dito. So, yun yung dala ko galing doon, at saka Tide bar, kasi nga ang hirap maghanap ng bar dito sa US. I mean, Tide bar. Meron bar dito, pero hindi kaya ng Tide bar. Sa Asian store, wala akong makitang Tide bar. Yan. Ito yung dala-dala ko. Dala-dala ko to galing Pinas. Yan. Ayun na. Yan. Mga dala ko yung galing Pinas. Ito yung dala ko pa galing sa Pinas. 5 pirasong walis ting-ting. 5 pieces of coconut broom. See that? So, yun yung mga dala ko na yung hindi ko mahanap dito sa US. Yun yung dinala ko galing sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung kayo guys pumunta ng Pilipinas, kung ano yung wala sa location nyo, sa store na malapit sa inyo, na gusto nyong bumili, pag umuwi kayo, pili kayo doon, dalhin nyo dito. It's cool. And now, ito na naman ito. Sausage with onions. Then I put later the egg. The cheese is melting. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yummy. it's done. Ayan. Ito na siya. Bread. This is his breakfast. I do this once a week. Because his day off is once a week. That's mine. So this is his breakfast today, guys. Fried potato with bacon, longganisa or sausage from Philippines, and scrambled egg with the sausage ground in onions. Yan, beautiful. And then put some mayonnaise and ketchup. Good breakfast.
Good man.
Food is ready, asawa. Okay? Let's eat.
Marcus.
Mayonnaise, ketchup. Let's eat.
Asawa, this is a cow ball for you. The bull ball. I want to see you got 7 of them on your plate.
Yeah, just one. I just have one piece. Mmm, yummy.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click that like button.
Bye
Thank you.
bye. Good morning. It's look like cloudy day today. Look at that. I think there is a storm in the US. And look at my okra here. That's big now. And I harvest yesterday the rest of my okra. And then there's more over there, but it's still little. Maybe I harvest uh, next day. And this is my eggplant here. Yan. Meron na po siyang flower. Yan. You see the flower? 1, 2, 3. Yan. May, ayan. May talong. And may kangkong here. As you can see, water spinach.